Hi guys, so I'm gonna be I'm the creator of ReviewAid, and I'm gonna make a video on how this works exactly. I have locally hosted the Python, and okay, so I'm gonna demonstrate how it works. I'm gonna start with the extractor. You put whatever you want to extract, comma separated, conclusion. Maybe I want to extract type of study. Maybe I want to know the population size. I can write sample size, but yeah. Results. Okay, results of the paper. And now I'm gonna browse some papers. All right. How about 5 papers? You upload the papers, and then you just gonna process it. So this is a background terminal to know what is exactly happening behind the system. And this is as far as the transparency goes. This is the most transparent thing I thought of, instead of blindly trusting the AI. And yeah, so this rate limit thing happens only if the backend API is receiving lots of requests, but as such, it's not a big issue. Anyways, so you're just gonna wait for the number of articles to process it out. um, yeah, and it also shows you this how many percentage of papers uploaded is being done, has been done, and which PDF or which article is it processing. Now, one important thing to note here is only a PDF format of the articles is accepted. You can't upload a document file, because the tool can't pass a document or HTML file format. It can pass HTML files, but for some files it breaks. Anyways, so you just let it process it out. All right. So you can see the preview of all the papers along with the confidence levels. For this paper, it's 0.5, because the first time the AI had worked, the JSON file was empty, and so it retried, and as such the confidence has lower down. So this is all the extracted things, and this is how the confidence score works. You have export options. You can just export it via documents, and um, yeah, so this is how it looks like, right? um, Now I'm gonna move on with the screener. So this is a screener. Now, population criteria, let's just go with adults. I want my papers to deal with adults. I don't want children, pediatrics. Okay, pediatric. Intervention criteria, let's just go with a drug known as natalizumab, using multiple sclerosis, RRMS, relapse remitting, first stage. And how about fingolimod, because this is another drug. And how about ocrelizumab as an exclusion criteria? Comparison criteria, this is optional. Okay, the thing is, you just need one of these to fill, that's compulsion. Outcome criteria, multiple sclerosis. okay, multiple sclerosis. And you can just put MS. I can even put RRMS, and then I can put relapse remitting RRMS. Anyways, so again, gonna browse the first 5 articles and just screen the work. Again, we have the um, system terminal to help us what is happening in the background. All right, so the screen part is done. We have the confidence levels, we have the year, we have the author, we have the reason for inclusion. If the papers were excluded, we would have had one more table with exclusion papers, maybe papers as well. Anyways, inclusion, you can just double tap to view, and then just download in docs, CSV, XLXX. How about docs? Just view it once, and yeah. So this is how the tool works, and I'm not gonna edit this video as such. And yeah, thank you for um, seeing this video, and I hope you have a good time using this tool.